Good day again, grade 2. We will now continue our artwork. This is part 2 of bookmark making. Step 1. Carefully cut the leaves and flowers from your plants. Make sure to choose vibrant colors for the best effect. Step 2. Arrange your cutting on a piece of paper. Once you're happy with the design, glue them down. Step 3. Press down gently on the glued pieces to ensure they stick well. You can also place a heavy book on top for a few minutes.